Create your very own indoor treehouse room with zero construction skills. Hello, I'm Kiwanta, entrepreneur, educator, mom of 2 brilliant boys, and founder of Elite Kids. Earlier this year, my oldest approached me and said, "Mom, I want a treehouse." And I said, "Well, we don't have a tree in our backyard, but maybe in our next house, we'll have a big tree, and then we can build a big treehouse." I sat with this conversation with my child for a few days and even a few weeks, because we're always, as parents and as moms, we're always looking to the future. When I have time, when I have more money, when I have another house. And the truth of the matter is, those things may never come. This may be our forever home. Or if we do get another home, who's to say that there's going to be this big flourishing tree that is suitable to build a treehouse? So I thought, instead of waiting for some event to happen in the distant future, what can I do today to create lasting memories? And it's not that I want to spoil him and give him everything that he asks for. No, the lesson here is, if there's something that you want, figure it out. So after thinking about it a little bit, I thought, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to give my sons an indoor treehouse room. Why not? And this is Texas, so between the extreme heat in the summer, the rainy days, the hail and tornadoes, having an indoor treehouse room is perfect, because they can enjoy this all year round regardless of what's happening outside. So come on, y'all, let's come tour this room. Everything that I'm about to show you, you can purchase to create your own indoor treehouse room. The links are in the description below. Let's go. Let's start right here with the door. First, we have the entrance. I bought these vines, and initially I was thinking about having them fall about right here, because you know the children are not that tall, but I thought I want to get in here too, so I thought this would be the perfect height perfect height for that. But it's just a great welcome into their indoor treehouse room. You move into the indoor treehouse playroom and you are greeted with all of the handprints, and if you're a parent, you know you've seen these before, you know exactly what these are. On the right wall you have artwork originals. Now you can't find these on Amazon, Target, or Wayfair. These are originals. This is our table and workstation. We do homeschool, mini homeschool lessons. They do arts and crafts, and a lot of times they just come in here and just do whatever they want to do. It comes with different colors. We got the white one, and it comes with 4 matching chairs. I love this world map. What I love about this map is that it not only gives you, the continent and certain cities and countries, but it also has animals that are native to that area. My sons are, especially my oldest, is a little history buff and scientist. So to go along with his map, I purchased this digging kit, Ancient Explorer. They come in these little golden balls shaped like the globe, and they come with various tools he can use. And he'll dig them out, dig. And inside each of these spheres, you will find a landmark and a jewel or stone, some kind of geological stone. And then what we'll do after he's dug them out, found the Great Wall of China, and we find that on the map, the Colosseum, the Taj Mahal, and the pyramid. So he'll dig these out, and then we'll come to the map and he'll say, "Oh, look, that's where it is. That's where it is." I'm like, "Yep." Then right here, I have a wall lamp. I like these also because they come off. It's magnetic. Obviously, because I'm doing an indoor treehouse room, I wanted to do something that resembled wood. Here is the other one. Can change from cool, bright, warm light. I can change the color. They even have a timer set if you want to set a timer for them to wrap it up. And this is the treehouse playroom at night. It lights up their desk area. So I could take these off. We can go inside the tent. We can have some reading time. I can light up their artwork, light up the map. On to the window. So the vines that I have hanging on the entrance of the door, I also have those over the windows, kind of just going, looping at the top, coming down right here. And this window over here is the same kind of thing. Now let's look at the accent wall. This looks like a wall of grass, but it's actually not. That is a backdrop. That is a grass backdrop. And on top of that, I have the same vines that I have on the windows and on the front edges of the door to give it that more of that three-dimensional look. But if you come all the way out here, it all looks 3D. These are 2 backdrop panels. I believe this is a 7x5. And then I just took the rest of my vines and kind of just spread them out all the way to the end. So it's just wall to wall. Bam, bam, bam. Treehouse room. To give you some perspective of when you're coming in. And bam. I also wanted them to have a neon sign that says brothers. It's super cute. Turning on the brother sign. There's 3 different modes. Gets pretty bright in here. Next is the ceiling fan and the light. Put some loose leaves here on the light switch and the fan switch, and then I use double-sided tape to tape these kind of like large leaves onto the blades of the ceiling fan. Okay, another thing that brings it all together and makes this room really feel like an indoor treehouse room is the tent. This thing is so big, very easy to put together. I opted for the brown one to go with the indoor treehouse theme. It also comes with this star string light, which at nighttime it is so beautiful in here. But this thing is pretty big. I can fit my entire body inside, and both of my children are able to stand up. These panels right here close. There is a window. If you don't have it facing the wall, there's a window in the back, and there's also a window on the side that can roll up and you can see out, or you can roll down for some privacy. These mattresses are actually repurposed. These were their infant/toddler bed mattresses. My boys love for me to be in this room with them. They always ask, Mommy, can you come in the playroom? Can you sit with us? And so I thought, Mommy needs some cushions. So I just took both of their toddler beds, put them side by side. So this would be very comfortable for me to sit down. I got these leaf pillows. They come in 2-pack. They come in 2. It's the dark green one and the light green one. They're different sizes to go inside their tent. And I got these round wood pillows. They come in 2, a pack of 2, I believe, to go with the indoor treehouse theme. And then I bought this one separately, this little long log pillow to go in the treehouse room tent. Toss it in there, and we're just having a great time. We're reading, we're laughing, we're telling stories, and just bonding and having a really good time. Everything except the original artwork, of course, you can purchase right now. There's a link in the description. There are affiliate links, so I just want to throw that disclaimer out there that you can purchase right now. Moms, dads, caregivers, parents, we do not have to wait for something to happen in the future. Figure it out, get it done. And that's exactly what I did. That's exactly what you can do too. So what would I do if I did not have an entire extra room to create an indoor treehouse room? A few things I would consider. I would consider decorating the hallway leading up to their primary bedroom. I can still use this grass backdrop, the vines. I can still do something like this in their bedroom. I would still purchase the leaf and the wood pillows, possibly getting treehouse or wooden themed bedding, blankets, sheets, pillow slips in their bedroom. Definitely still do something like this just to give them that feel of being in a treehouse. There were some things that I would scrap if the space was too small. If I did not have an extra room to do something like this in, I would make it work in the hallway, decorate their door, or decorate their primary room so that they'll have that experience of having an indoor treehouse room. Thank you so much for watching. All the links are in the description below. Now watch this next video right over here.